So it's getting that time of year, you're going to have even nasty stuff showing up in your lawn. I've had your mullumbimby cooch and your nutgrass and all that sort of junk showing up over the summer. I've been sort of giving it a touch up as we go. You can get selective spray, but I found just using glypho, but a lot of you probably have gone off that now, I've heard. So you can use whatever you want, but if you use a broad spectrum thing, you can attack pretty much whatever you want to do in case of the weeds. So what you want to get is a pack of these cheapo sponges. They come in all different colours. It doesn't particularly matter which one you pick out of the packet. And then lengthways, so the long way, I'll be giving it a snip straight down the guts. And basically what I'll be doing is I'll grab the end of my weed washer and I'll get the cable tie and I'll be wrapping that around it. Then I'll be folding it back down and I'll be wrapping a second cable tie around it too. Good end there to give whatever you're trying to destroy a bit of a wipe. Be alright because you can use it when it's a bit windy or whatever and you won't be worrying about getting overspray, and you can just wipe it straight on the leaves of what you're doing. So I'm just using your little cheapo weed washer thing that you get from the hardware shop, just because it's only for doing little jobs. I use a proper sprayer for doing the edges and etc. Sinister in your sprayer, you're going after something particularly nasty, yeah, just make sure you're careful where you go about it, I suppose, and follow any precautions you probably should be following. You shouldn't need me to tell you that. So I'm up the back here at my joint and you see there's this is what I'm trying to go after, this stupid bloody nutgrass mullumbimby cooch looking stuff. And it just pokes its head up everywhere, all through your lawn. It's rubbish stuff. And it gets these stupid seed head things on it, and there's thousands of seeds go everywhere if you don't get to them. So what we're doing is release a bit of the juice out of your tank into it, and then just wipe it all over your weed. So then what you're doing is you're stopping the wind taking it and killing everything around it, because if you can get your weed on the ropes, then the other stuff might be able to muscle in it. Like keep it out. I've got this other stuff, I don't know what it is, like cat's ear or something, so we'll give that a rub too. But there's another one here, you'll see. Just give it a quick squeeze, wipe it straight on the leaves, make sure they get a bit, good dose. No point stuffing around. But that's about it really. Thanks for watching.